Okay, changing the background color of your actual file in GIMP is very simple. You can go to the paint bucket tool here, and there's actually a few ways you can do this. You can do what we call the background color fill right here, and simply just click on the we call the two box foreground and background colors. You can change the color here, and you can simply just drop it in place by clicking the screen. You can do many colors as you like. That will give you a different color fill for the background. You can also do pattern fill as well. Pattern fill, if you see right here, there's different designs. You simply go down and do the same process by clicking inside the open space, and it will give you the patterns right here. So there's also a way also to do a gradient. Gradient is what we call two or more colors blending together, and there's a lot of different shape variables you can use: radial, square, conical, all types of different. And we'll just go ahead and play with this real quick. So for instance, if you want to do a linear, and I picked these two colors, so we have looks like a turquoise to white. So you would simply click on the screen, find a place to start. I'll go to the top of the page, drag the actual, while holding your left click down on the mouse, drag it down until the blend comes. You can do it as many times as you like, different ways. You can also change from linear, like I said before, to radial, bilinear, square. There's different options, so you can play with them all. If you notice, the radial gives you a circle-like shape with whatever color you use in the middle. So and there's other options you can use. The spiral tool effect. There's so many different things that you can use for the background. So that's how you would change your background with the standard page.